What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be installing a modification on the C8 Corvette here that I think is going to really complete the rear end of this car. Now essentially what we're going to be installing today is a new license plate cover, and it's going to basically cover this entire center license plate area and just kind of break up all of the blue back here and also match the vents on the side. Now, huge shout out to the guys over at newbone.com for sending me this. Guys, I will link this product in the description if you would like to check them out and get one for your Corvette. Now, starting off the unboxing, we have a couple pieces of felt strips. I believe these are to protect your paint so you don't get any marks or swirls from installing this bad boy. And then we have a, ooh, this is actually metal, a very nice little license plate back piece. And then we also have our little carbon fiber piece, which is going to go behind this. I believe it's going to go just like that. Now, starting off with this thing, I don't believe it matters which side you do this to, but we are going to be attaching our little felt strips onto one of the sides of this little carbon fiber piece because we don't want to scratch up our factory Rapid Blue paint. We're just going to go over here and start to put on our little felt strips. All right, so now that we have our little felt strips fully installed on this, we're basically going to be attaching it to the car facing this way, and this is just going to protect your paint, which is very cool. All right, so next up, I think all we really have to do is remove our old license plate and license plate cover, put this one on, and then see how it looks. All right, so now we're gonna remove the old one, which is easy peasy to do. Sorry, it's just a 6. We're gonna be removing your license plate frame for this one. It's funny because I have a Save the Manuals license plate frame on a C8. Everyone really loves that. And bam. Now we're going to transfer over our license plate. And I believe that we are going to be sandwiching it. So the back piece, then it's gonna go like this, and then something like that. I believe that's the way we're supposed to be doing it. So we're gonna rock with it. Now I think it'll be easiest if we kind of get one piloted in first, because we are messing with 3 layers of stuff and it just wants to, you know, kind of shift around a lot. I felt a thread grab there, and then we can just kind of let it hang. And where's my other screw? There it is. Get the other one threaded. Be careful not to cross thread these guys. You really don't want to be doing that. And now we can just tighten these things up. All right. Well, that was easy. That was way easier than I expected, I'm gonna be honest. And here we have it, guys. I'm gonna give y'all a couple of better angles of this carbon fiber license plate cover. And honestly, guys, I'm not gonna lie. This thing was packaged great. It looks great. It really flows with the side vents and matches them very well. It breaks up all of the color in the rear. And honestly, I think it should have been like this from the factory. I don't know why Chevy didn't just include something like this or even have the option to do something like this from the factory. Maybe they have the option now. I'm not really sure. But whenever I ordered my car, I know for a fact there's nothing like this for it. Anyways, guys, that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.